Hello, today I'm going to speak about the concept of checkout policy in network licenses. So what is a checkout policy? So when a user starts the software and pulls the license from the license pool, when it's a single instance, that's easy. But what's happening when a user is starting two instances of the software? So for example, two instances on the same machine or two different machines on the network, and they are both pulling the license and they're both the same user. So in that cases, for these cases, we need a checkout policy. And let's take this example. We see a user A with two instances of the software. So will the software pull two licenses or one license? So how do we determine this? By the checkout policy of the license server. Checkout policy is something that I think that we named, but for example in FlexLM, checkout policy is called dup group, and it's defined within the license file provided by the vendor. So of course the user doesn't determine that. And in FlexLM, I'm making it simple. So we have these options: user, host, and display. So dup group can be equal to UH, in that case user and host. So if you are pulling the license from the same machine, you pull two licenses, so you will be only charged for one license because it's the same user and the same host. But if you add display, it makes it more complex, and in such case you will be charged for each instance. In FlexLM, dup group can be any combination of these letters, and it allows the vendor to determine exactly what is the checkout policy for his features. So, to summarize in this video, we explained the concept of checkout policy, which exists actually in most network license managers. Thank you, and looking forward to seeing you in our next video.